Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ananda syawal. So my name is 210603110015. So today I wanna explain to all of you in my YouTube channel. I wanna explain about yes, measures of chemistry, and especially the title is with title is WSO water treatment, coagulation and flocculation. Yeah. So coagulation. About the definition first, coagulation is the addition of chemical to destabilize the electrostatic forces of non-soluble solid. And coagulation chemical typically have a positive charge, with which binds to the negative charge particle in water neutralization them and following them to come together to form small clumps of particles called microflocks. In most cases, the chemical reaction occurs in a fraction of a second. So it's important the coagulation is dispersed quickly and evenly to encourage as many particles coagulation as possible. Because this process relies on chemical reaction, several considerations must be made water temperature. For example, cold water usually slows coagulation and flocculation reactions, and which may require more time to achieve optimal floc formation. Extreme values of pH, high or low, will also interfere with the process. Coagulation effectiveness is highly dependent on pH. For some coagulation, alkalinity is a factor operators may need to raise out validity for coagulation. To be effective when using iron or aluminum, coagulation that can consume alkalinity or and decrease pH when they are added to low alkalinity waters. Turbidity is also important the lower. Why the turbidity, the more difficult it is form proper flow. The most common coagulation chemical used is aluminum sulfate, commonly called alum. And then when added to water alone from jelly, like particle of aluminum hydroxide, the trivalent aluminum ion neutralized and attached to. And then negatively charged particle in water forming microfloc. Alum works best in a pH range of 5.5 to 7.5. Polyaluminium chloride and iron salts such as ferric chloride and ferric sulfate are also used. They operate over a wider pH range. Coagulation and flocculate aids are added to improve binding, build stronger, more selectable floc, and effect flocculation by increasing floc ice strength and floc density. In addition, they help overcome the effect of low temperatures, reduce the amount of coagulation needed, and reduce the amount of solute product. Commonly, these coagulation aids include cationic polymer. Polymers are given as a synthetic compound with high molecular, and then with a composed of repeating chemical units or monomers. Polymers may be polyelectronic, such as the water-soluble flocculant, water-insoluble ion exchange reasons, or insoluble uncharged materials. Polymers are long chains of molecules that produce highly charged ions and have been microflocked together into larger flock particles. They are very popular with operators because they are very effective and can be positive, negative, or neutrally charged. providing it appears that a great deal of flexibility in different circumstances. It appears that at time the term coagulation and flocculation have been used in church chants April. Whichever definition has been accepted, it is apparent that a significant contribution to the exciting confusion has been found. The quarter of the water treatment industry, which has further switched all and manner of definition of its own, they have been attempted to remedy the lack of a universal set of definition. But in certain respects, there still remain a certain uncertifications. What require is a lack of ambiguity and certainty is usage of terms during all possible conditions of chemical addition or configuration. Of the overall process in this book, the following definitions are adapted. Coagulation is the process whereby the spirations of a given suspension OP solution is effective. That is, the function of coagulation is to overcome those factors which promote the stability of a given system. Flocculation is the process whereby the stabilized particles or particles form as a result of the stabilization. Function of coagulation is to overcome those factors which promote the stability of a given system. Although the areas of application of the combined coagulation and flocculation process vary widely, including those in the industrial and municipal wastewater treatment fields. By far, the most extensive application has been in the area of potable water treatment. With few surface waters require some form of treatment before distribution as a potable supply complying with health standard. Coagulation is the phase in the overall process whereby the concentrations of given water are destabilized and flocculation is the phase where the destabilized particles or particles formed during destabilizations are induced to collect into aggregates. So that's all about what I have reasoned before. So I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.